Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to convert a PDF file to EPUB format using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element, select file option and select here open or open cloud here. I have already opened this PDF file. Now select convert option this menu bar and here you will find this more option and click on this down arrow. And this is to EPUB option, select and this setting option. Here you can change, add a book cover, no book cover, and only scan PDF. You can convert custom pages, all pages. Now select OK, and you can save it same source folder, or also you can select another specific folder. Now finally select OK and convert an open folder. This is my EPUB file format and see this. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.